scholars, welcome to the copy paste tutorial where I'll show you how to copy and paste text from one place to another, since I ask you guys to do that for assignments. All right, so I have this page here on SpongeBob SquarePants, and I want to copy and paste this second paragraph. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put my mouse at the beginning of the paragraph. I'm going to hold down a left click. I'm going to hold the left click down, and then I'm going to drag the mouse to highlight the stuff that I want to copy. If it's not highlighted, it's not going to get copied. All right, so the next thing I do is I right click on the highlighted section, and some options should come up. Now, your options may look different than mine depending on the computer you're using, but in every computer you should have a copy option. So I'm going to left click on the copy button. Okay, now I'm going to the place where I want to paste it at. So I just copied this, I want to go paste it. So I'm going to go here to my copy paste tutorial page, and I'm going to paste it right here. So the same way I pulled up those options, I'm going to right click, and you see how we have a bunch of different options here. I want to paste it, so I can paste or paste without formatting. Since I got it from a separate website, I'm going to paste without formatting. So I click here, left click, and here it is. Here is the paragraph that I wanted to copy from Wikipedia and paste onto here. The way I did that was right clicking after highlighting on the paragraph that I wanted to copy, choosing the copy option, going to where I want to paste it at, right clicking, and choosing the paste option. Now there's another way to do it without left clicks or right clicks. So here I'm going to show you real quick. So let's say I just wanted one sentence out of this paragraph. So let's say I wanted this sentence. If I didn't want to use the left or right clicks, I can use button commands. For Mac, it's going to be holding down the command button and pressing the letter C. And then to paste it, you're going to hold the command button again. And instead of C, you're going to press V. So C for copy, V for paste. So here, I'm going to do hold down command C, hold down command paste. If you are on a PC, you're going to do the same thing, but instead of command, you're going to hold down the control button. Some computers might have it abbreviated as CNTL or CNTRL. You hold down that button, and it should still be the C letter and the V letter to copy for C and V for paste. Let me know if you guys have issues still, even after watching the video. I'd be more than happy to help. All right, guys.